Dear students, I am from Jonalgada Ramu, Assistant Professor in the Department of Mathematics in Guntur Engineering College. Today we discuss Engineering Mathematics 2. This is the subject for third semester, all branches of Polytechnic. The syllabus is Unit 1 is Indefinite Integration, second unit is Definite Integration, third unit is Applications of Definite Integrations, fourth unit is Fourier series and Laplace transforms, fifth unit is Differential Equations, sixth unit is Higher Order Differential Equations. First unit 1, first of all we discuss and we know about the unit 1 indefinite integration. We are familiar that what is the differentiation? Differentiation d by dx of f of x is equal to small f of x. Here the derivative of f of x is small f of x. Capital F of x is called antiderivative of f of x. The antiderivatives of f of x are not unique. For example, d by dx of 10 plus sin x is equal to cos x. D by dx of 10 is constant. The derivative of sin x is cos x. Similarly, d by dx of 20 plus sin x, the derivative of 20 is 0 and d by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. Here two antiderivatives. The derivative is same, but antiderivatives are different. Therefore, the node point is the any two antiderivatives are not unique. The antiderivatives of f of x are not unique. Okay, here 10 plus sin x, 20 plus sin x are different antiderivatives of cos x. Okay, definition. What is integration? Now we define the integration. What is integration? The integration is the reverse process of differentiation. For example, d by dx of f of x plus c is constant. D by dx of f of x equal to f of x. Dx is put on the left side or right side, then d of f of x is equal to d of f of x plus c is equal to small f of x dx. The derivative that convert to integral f of x dx is equal to capital F of x plus c. Here c is called integral constant, this sign is called integral. Here f of x is called integrand. Therefore, integral f of x dx is equal to f of x plus c. Okay, this sign is called integral. First of all, we are familiar that the formulas of derivatives, d by dx of x is equal to 1, d by dx of x square is equal to x, d by dx of x cube is equal to 3x. The reverse process of differentiation is called integration. Reverse process that is integral 1 dx is equal to x plus c. D by dx of x equal to 1. D by dx that goes to right side, that converts to integration. Integral 1 dx is equal to x. Integral 1 dx is equal to x plus c. Similarly, d by dx of x square is equal to 2x. This 2 goes this side. This is 2 is in denominator, x square by 2. Integral x dx is equal to x square by 2 plus c. Similarly, d by dx of x cube is equal to 3x square. Integral x square dx is equal to x cube by 3 plus c. Reverse process of differentiation. Next, unit problem formula number 4. D by dx of x power 4 is equal to 4x cube. Integral x cube is equal to x power 4 by 4. Okay, the general formula is d by dx of x power n is equal to n into x power n minus 1, or d by dx of x power n plus 1 is equal to n plus 1 into x power n. The general formula of integration x power n dx is equal to x power n plus 1 by n plus 1 plus c. Integral x power n minus 1 dx is equal to x power n by n plus c. So this is the general formula. Suppose n is equal to 1, x power 1 plus 1 by 1 plus 1. Integral x dx is equal to x square by 2. Suppose n is equal to x square, integral x square dx, x square 2 plus 1 by 2 plus 1, x cube by 3. N is equal to 3. Integral x cube dx is equal to 3 plus 1, 4. 3 plus 1, 4. X power 4 by 4. This is same as integral x cube. This is general formula for x power n. Next, these are the formulas of algebraic formulas. Next we define trigonometric formulas. D by dx of sin x is equal to cos x. Integral cos x is equal to sin x plus c. D by dx of cos x is equal to minus sin x. Integral sin x dx is equal to minus cos x plus c. D by dx of tan x is equal to secant square x. Integral secant square x dx is equal to tan x plus c. D by dx of cot x is equal to minus cosecant square x. Integral cosecant square x dx is equal to minus cot x plus c. D by dx of secant x is equal to secant x plus tan x. Secant x into tan x. Integral secant x tan x dx is equal to secant x plus c. D by dx of cosecant x is equal to minus cosecant x into cot x. Integral cosecant x into cot x dx is equal to cosecant x plus c. Next formula, d by dx of sin hx. These are the trigonometric formulas. Hyperbolic functions, hyperbolic trigonometric functions. D by dx of sin hx is equal to cos hx. Integral cos hx dx is equal to sin hx plus c. D by dx of cos hx is equal to sin hx. Integral sin hx dx is equal to cos hx plus c. D by dx of tan hx is equal to secant h square x. Integral secant h square x is equal to tan hx plus c. D by dx of cot hx is equal to minus cosecant h square x. Integral cosecant h square x dx is equal to minus cot hx plus c. D by dx of secant hx is equal to minus secant hx tan hx. Integral secant hx tan hx dx is equal to secant hx plus c. D by dx of cosecant hx is equal to minus cosecant hx into cot hx. Integral cosecant hx cot hx dx is equal to minus cosecant hx plus c. These are the hyperbolic functions. Next we go to inverse trigonometric functions. D by dx of sin inverse x is equal to 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Integral 1 by square root of 1 minus x square dx is equal to sin inverse x plus c. D by dx of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square. Integral minus 1 by square root of 1 minus x square is equal to cos inverse x plus c. D by dx of tan inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. The reverse process is integral 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to tan inverse x plus c. D by dx of cot inverse x is equal to minus 1 by 1 plus x square. Integral minus 1 by 1 plus x square dx is equal to cot inverse x plus c. D by dx of secant inverse x. Secant inverse x is equal to 1 by x into square root of x square minus 1. The reverse process is integral 1 by x into x square minus 1 dx is equal to secant inverse x plus c. This is same as minus goes to minus cosecant inverse x plus c. Similarly, d by dx of sin h inverse x is equal to 1 by square root of x square plus 1. Integral 1 by square root of x square plus 1 dx is equal to sin h inverse x. Hyperbolic inverse functions. Trigonometric hyperbolic inverse functions. D by dx of cos h inverse x is equal to 1 by square root of x square minus 1. Integral 1 by square root of x square minus 1 dx is equal to cos h inverse x plus c. D by dx of tan h inverse x is equal to 1 by 1 plus x square. Integral 1 by 1 minus x square dx is equal to tan h inverse x. Another formulas are 27th formula, integral e power x dx is equal to e power x plus c. And another formula is integral 1 by x dx is equal to log x. And 29th formula is integral a power x is equal to a power x by log a plus c. These are the formulas of differentiation. These are the formulas of integration. Okay, next class we using linear property using these formulas and find the and evaluate the integral problems. Thank you.